Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove an old Ring doorbell from app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up a Ring app, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is just select the device that you want to delete. And once you have selected the device, you'll be getting these three options, that is snooze, settings and cancel. Simply tap on the settings option, and once you tap on the settings option, here you'll be sent to the selected device settings. And now once you're inside there, you'll be getting the option that says device settings. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside your device settings, here what you need to do is tap on general settings. And once you tap on general settings, here you'll be provided with the option that says remove device on the bottom. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you will be asked if you are sure you want to remove the device. Now if you are sure you want to remove this device, then simply tap on remove this device. And if you aren't sure, just simply tap on this X button on the top right corner of the screen. And now that's basically how you can do it. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.